So I'm going to make carrot body wash. And to make the carrot body wash, I'm going to be using this. I'll be using this Dove soap. I'll be using lemon. And I'll be using carrots. I'll be adding serum. That is optional. And I'll be adding 100% honey to make this carrot body wash. So I'll be using this ingredient to make the carrot body wash, and I'll be using a double boiler. I'll be using a double boiler. So I'll put this inside this and I will add all my blended ingredients. So the first thing you want to do now is to blend the carrot. I'll be blending the carrots. So blend all these carrots. I'll be using the lemon juice to blend the carrots. So the lemon, squeeze it into the carrots. So now I have the carrots. I have the lemon juice. Add this into the carrots. I'll add 1 cup of water into the carrots to blend. 1 cup of water. So now I blended carrots. I have the double boiler. I'll add the blended carrots. 1 cup. 2 cups. So I'll get all the 3 cups. The blended carrots in the double boiler. So now you're gonna use any soap of your choice. I'm using Dove. I'll be adding 2 cups of the soap into 3 cups. 1 cup. So 1.5 cups of the soap into 3 cups. Two tablespoons. Continue to stir this for like 10 minutes in the double boiler.